Experiencing no signal in your basement with Verizon? You're not alone. This is primarily due to radio frequency attenuation. Building materials like concrete, metal, and even soil absorb or reflect cellular waves, preventing them from reaching your phone. Lower frequency bands travel further but offer slower speeds, while higher frequencies like 5G ultra-wideband (mmWave) wave struggle to penetrate walls, leaving basements with weak or non-existent signals. Several factors contribute to basement signal loss. First, distance from cell towers plays a crucial role. The further you are from a cell tower, the weaker the signal becomes. Verizon recommends optimal coverage within about 1 mile of a tower. Second, building construction significantly impacts signal penetration. Modern homes often use materials like reinforced concrete and metal that can create a Faraday cage effect, reflecting or absorbing cellular signals and preventing them from reaching basements. Third, interference from other electronics can degrade signal quality. Devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and even LED lights can create electromagnetic interference that disrupts cellular signals, particularly in enclosed basement spaces. Finally, Verizon's network uses various frequency bands, including 700 MHz, 1.7 GHz, and C-band. Each band has different penetration capabilities. Lower frequencies like 700 MHz penetrate buildings better but provide slower speeds, while higher frequencies offer faster data but struggle indoors. One effective solution to basement signal problems is Verizon's 5G home internet. This wireless service provides an alternative by using a 5G gateway device that connects directly to Verizon's 5G network, bypassing the need for strong cellular signals in your basement. The gateway can be placed near a window with better reception or equipped with an external antenna to optimize performance. This setup ensures reliable connectivity even in challenging basement environments where traditional cellular signals struggle. Verizon's 5G home internet has expanded to cover 80% of U.S. households as of 2026, offering speeds up to 500 Mbps in areas with strong 5G coverage. This provides stable internet and Wi-Fi coverage throughout your basement. This solution is ideal for activities like streaming videos, working remotely, or browsing the web, giving you consistent, high-speed access without relying on spotty cellular reception. Signal boosters, also known as repeaters, capture existing outdoor cellular signals and amplify them indoors. These devices are designed to improve Verizon coverage in areas like basements where signals are weak. Signal boosters consist of 3 main components. An external antenna mounted outside captures the weak outdoor signal. This signal is sent via cable to the booster unit, which amplifies it significantly. Finally, an internal antenna rebroadcasts the strengthened signal throughout your basement or indoor space. For Verizon users experiencing basement signal issues, compatible boosters provide substantial improvements. These devices can boost signal strength by 10 to 20 decibels, allowing cellular service to penetrate concrete walls and reach areas that were previously dead zones. This is particularly effective in multi-story buildings where outdoor signals struggle to reach indoor spaces. To achieve the best results with a signal booster, proper installation is crucial. The external antenna should be mounted high up, ideally on a roof or window, with a clear view of Verizon cell towers. Coaxial cable connects the antenna to the indoor booster unit, and the internal antenna is positioned to distribute the amplified signal throughout your basement. Distance from cell towers should be less than a mile for optimal performance. A critical consideration when using signal boosters is compliance with regulations. Only use Verizon-certified boosters that are FCC compliant to prevent interference with the cellular network. The FCC requires registration of signal boosters and prohibits uncertified devices. Violations can lead to substantial penalties, including fines exceeding $100,000 per incident, as shown in recent enforcement actions. For users who need to boost existing signals, external antennas mounted on windows or roofs can significantly improve reception. These antennas connect to indoor routers or boosters, providing a stronger signal. Another approach is Wi-Fi integration. Using mesh Wi Fi systems in conjunction with your Verizon service can extend coverage wirelessly into the basement, reducing reliance on cellular signals alone. This is easily accomplished with a Verizon Quantum Fiber or 5G home router that offers mesh capabilities. Verizon's 2025 partnership with Google for Nest Wi Fi integration allows devices to automatically switch to Wi Fi when the cellular signal drops, seamlessly switching over when necessary. While DIY signal boosting solutions exist for improving Verizon basement coverage, professional installation is often recommended, especially for complex setups or larger basements. DIY approaches using signal boosters can work for simple setups, but user reports show mixed results, with some experiencing interference or limited coverage gains. Professionals can optimize antenna placement, ensure proper setup, and minimize interference, leading to more reliable performance in basements. Professional installation also ensures FCC compliance, avoiding fines and network disruption that can occur with improper DIY setups. In a 2025 PCMag case study, a user in a reinforced concrete basement went from 0 bars to 500 Mbps speeds after professional installation of a Verizon 5G gateway with external antenna covering 5,000 square feet. However, this came with installation costs of $500 to $1,000. When addressing Verizon's basement signal issues, one of the most critical mistakes to avoid is using uncertified signal boosters. These devices can interfere with Verizon's network, causing disruptions for nearby users and potentially leading to significant FCC fines. Always choose FCC-certified boosters that are specifically compatible with Verizon's frequencies to ensure safe and effective operation. Proper grounding and surge protection are essential to safeguard your signal equipment from damage. Lightning strikes, power surges, and electrical fluctuations can destroy antennas, boosters, and routers if not protected. Install surge protectors on all power lines and ensure antennas are properly grounded to redirect excess energy safely into the earth. This prevents costly repairs and maintains consistent signal performance. Regularly check for interference from other electronics like microwaves, cordless phones, or neighboring Wi-Fi networks, which can weaken your Verizon signal. Adjust antenna placement by testing different locations and orientations to find the optimal position. Antennas should be mounted high and away from metal obstructions for best reception. Use signal strength meters to monitor improvements and make precise adjustments. Before purchasing any signal enhancement equipment, thoroughly assess your basement's specific signal challenges. Use Verizon's coverage maps, signal strength apps, or professional site surveys to identify dead zones and understand your building's construction materials that may block signals. Research the most suitable solutions based on your location, distance from cell towers, and signal requirements to avoid wasting money on ineffective products. Improperly installed equipment is a leading cause of basement signal problems and can actually worsen your situation. Cables must be properly connected, amplifiers configured correctly, and antennas oriented precisely. Seek professional installation or thoroughly educate yourself through Verizon's resources and user guides before attempting DIY fixes. Taking the time to learn proper techniques ensures long-term success and prevents network issues. The future of indoor signal enhancement lies in integrated AI-driven solutions that automatically adapt to signal challenges. Verizon is investing heavily in Open RAN technology, which allows for more flexible and user-friendly network deployments that can better handle indoor signal challenges. Alongside Open RAN, Verizon is deploying small cells, compact base stations that can be placed in strategic locations to densify network coverage and significantly improve indoor signal strength. For remote and challenging locations, hybrid satellite cellular solutions are emerging, combining the broad reach of satellite technology with cellular networks for more consistent indoor coverage. As smart homes become more prevalent, Verizon is embedding signal optimization directly into routers, using machine learning algorithms to predict and automatically mitigate dead zones before they affect connectivity. Verizon aims for 95% indoor coverage by 2030, focusing on future network improvements that will make basement signal problems largely non-existent through comprehensive technological advancements.